Every day we use a variety of products, from kitchen tools to electronic gadgets, and it's important to know what to look for to make the best choice. In this video, we'll cover the key features to consider when buying everyday items. First, consider durability and quality. Look for products made from strong materials. For example, high-quality fabric for clothing. A sturdy build can save you from frequent replacements. Next, think about the user-friendly design. A good product should be easy to use and comfortable. Whether it's an ergonomic chair that supports your back or a vacuum cleaner that moves smoothly, design plays a big role in everyday convenience. Look for versatility and functionality. A product that serves multiple purposes offers better value. Think about a multifunctional blender or a jacket that's perfect for both mild and cold weather. These products save you money and space. Price is important, but value for money is key. Don't just go for the cheapest option. Consider the long-term benefits. Spending a bit more upfront on a reliable product can save you money in the long run. Always check customer reviews and ratings. They provide real-life experiences from people who've already used the product. Look for trends in the feedback. Are there consistent complaints or praises? So, before you make your next purchase, remember these key features. Happy shopping.